Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make the pig ribbing. All you need is so you want a hook and this, but you need to take the middle one out and line it up like neatly. And then you want to pick pink ones like that. This is just for show. So first you want to grab a pink, start where the X's are facing away from you. So, and then you want to go from this middle peg up to the second peg, like that, and then now you should have that. I'm not just doing pink, I'm doing one color. And then you put up, over, so you should have that. And now you should have that. And now, after you do that, you want to go up, then go up again. Until this peg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to that peg. No, this peg. And then you want to cross over like that. Then start on the other one like that again. Go like 1. And now you should have that. And then you want to get it again. Go like up, then over, and then over. And then you want to start again. So go all the way up to there. And then go like that again, but on the other peg. Sister's watching it. Okay. And then now you should have something that looks like that. And then now you want to start looming it. So you want to go like this. Grab the bottom one. Go like that. And go like that onto the second one. Or that. And do it again. And then do it again. And then you go like that. And then, get off! That's her. Stop it, Sissy. I hate her. I'm like, I hate her. Ouch. And then go like that again. And then you go like, then you should have that, and then you grab the end, and then you pull it over, and you hook it onto there. And then you take the bottom one of this, hook it like that, then it will start to go get tighter. And you want to do and so you have something like that. And then now you should have like that. And then grab the black one, which I have. Take it over. Grab the end one, do it again. And now you have something like that. And then you want to grab that one. And like that. And then you want to take it off. So easy. You need to take it off now. Now you have a pink ribbon. Well, you'll have something like that if you do it my way.